Hello, Rothenberg rooftop gardeners and Rothenberg scholars. It's Miss Bass. How are you? Well, here we are. It's spring break. I'm home and I'm in my garden. And I'm going to be doing some planting this week of different varieties of plants that you're all familiar with, because these are things that we also plant in our rooftop garden. But I want to share with you what I'm doing here at home while we can't be together, and while I'm gardening at home and thinking about all of the things that we can do when we are back together in our rooftop garden. And we're also going to talk a little bit today about the parts of the plants that we eat, because we eat plants and we eat plant parts. So I want to share some of that with you and review some of that with you. And then when we are together, we can do this together. All right? So here you go. I'm going to turn this around to show you a little bit of my garden. So here's my garden bed, one of my garden beds. It's big. It's bigger than the garden beds on the roof. And here's my garden, just getting it together after the winter. So, and here are some of the varieties of seeds that I'm going to be planting this week. All right. So here we have some different varieties of peas. I love peas. I love to eat them fresh. I love to cook them. I put them in salads and soups. And then I have a lot of different types of greens. So I've got some arugula and collards. That one's kale. I get different types of lettuce, spinach. And then over here, I have some radishes, carrots, beets, and this funny looking thing, this weird thing. What do you think that is? That is a seed potato. And we can plant that in the ground and get more potatoes. So let's look at the plant parts that we're eating here, because we eat plants and we eat plant parts. So here, when we eat peas, you can even see the beautiful picture on the package. We're eating seeds when we eat peas. And when we eat any of these greens, the kale, the lettuces, the spinach, the arugula, the collards, what part of the plant are we eating when we eat those? That's right, we're eating the leaves. Lots of different types of leaves, and they're great fresh and in salads. They put them in soups, you can stir fry them. And then over here we have our radishes and our carrots, beets, and our potato. And what part of the plant are we eating when we eat any of those? Oh, you got it. Those are the roots. We're eating the roots. So we eat lots of plants. We eat lots of plant parts. We eat stems. Right? Who knows what stems we eat? Who eats celery? Has anybody ever had asparagus? Then you're eating stems. What about broccoli or cauliflower? Who likes broccoli? Who likes cauliflower? When you're eating broccoli or cauliflower, you're actually eating flowers. So we eat lots of different plants and we eat lots of different plant parts. And that's a good thing. All right. So I'm going to be busy this week doing a lot of planting. I hope you're all busy this week, just enjoying spring break and this beautiful weather. And hopefully we're going to see each other really soon in the rooftop garden. I miss you. Take care. Rothenberg Rooftop Garden signing out.